Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm inspired by the universe, and if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so galaxy inspired makeup. I have never done this makeup look before. I am literally trying as I'm going. I think the hardest thing for me to do is the white lines, the stars, the Milky Way-ish kind of a thing. I think that will be the hardest thing to do. For this, because I want the eyeshadow galaxy to speak for itself, there will be no eyeliner. Unless I do a white eyeliner, and that's it. That's the only thing that could potentially be the eyeliner. So let's get right into it and not waste any more time. So I'm going to be using, I think, only one eyeshadow palette. I maybe use another one, but we will see. But for now, I'm sticking to the Makeup Revolution's Forever Flawless Constellation. This palette right here. I mean, it's kind of perfect for this job, isn't it? And so the first color I'm going in with is Dimension, which is this color right here. And for this color, I want to diffuse it as much as I can because it will be the base transitional kind of a color. So I will use a big fluffy eyeshadow brush like this one. And I will just go all over on this. And then I think I will use a card to make sure I don't go below. But you can use tape or whatever. I will just use a card. I want more purple than I want blue. Then I want to go in with Cosmic, which is this purple right here. And I want to use my finger for this. And I'm just going to put it on the center of my lid. Then I will take the same color, but this time I will use a round brush just because I find this is easier. But you can use a flat brush for this. But I want to put this eyeshadow underneath my whole eye, so on my lower lash line. And then I want to go in with Night Sky, which is this blue right here. And I want to use my finger and I want to put that right here and in the inner corner. And then I want to take my Essence eye blender brush that looks like this, and I just want to blend the lower line. And I'm using the Catrice waterproof eyeliner that looks like these, in the white, of course. Actually, it says 020 Tweet White. I will clean it up, don't worry, but we need some stars. Now I'll take a flat brush and just clean up this line, and I will use the purple because that's where it needs. Now I just want to add some glitter on my lid, just in the center of it. And I'm using BYS Glitter Glitz palette in 04 Lustre Metals. So I'm taking this one right here, and because it's a gel, I'm using my finger. I almost forgot, but we need to put mascara on, so curl your lashes. I almost forgot this part, which, I don't know, it's kind of important. And then I am taking my Maybelline the Colossal mascara that looks like that, and I'm putting it on my upper and outer lower lashes only. Now I thought of something that could be a little bit cool. and that is putting on blue lipstick, because I actually do have blue lipstick. And I think it's because I saw it in the store and I was like, Ichiban, lipstick for men. I don't know if that's what went through my head, but that sounds like me. Okay, so first, I don't have a lip liner for my blue lipstick, but I also know the last time I tried the lipstick on, it was quite sheer, almost like a lip gloss with a tint, even though it is a lipstick, from what I can remember. Yeah, it's a lipstick. And so I'm going to be lining my lips plus coloring it in with Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in 17 Tu-tu-touquoise. And it's this shade right here. Then I want to go in with Kiko Milano's 820 lipstick, and it's this one. Now it's a few years old, so it may not be there, I don't know. Now, I don't think the blue on its own is just enough, so I would take the eyeshadow, and I would take the purple eyeshadow, the Cosmic, this one right here, that I put on my eyelids, and I think I want to just dab it on the inner part of my lip, upper and lower, just... Now obviously we can't just leave it here, we need to add highlighter, but I want to put on the NYX Strobe of Genius, the purple highlighter, because I think that's going to be the best for this. So it's this one right here. And as always, I use a big brush on the big areas, and I use a small brush on the smaller areas. This one and this one. And then I want to set it all with the setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix, and it looks like this. And so this is the finished look, and this is what a cosmic idea looks like to me. It's a little... I would definitely go to a rave in this, and I've never been to a rave, so... And even Coachella people. I would. Definitely would. It's kind of like out there, but I like it. It's different, it's creative, and it's definitely for those people that are not afraid of being creative and being themselves and being different. And if you saw the light changing in the video, it's because it went from daytime to nighttime in this amount of time in the last half an hour basically. But that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!